Alright, check it out, guys. Today I'm going to be installing these Torque Solutions shifter based bushings on my 95 Eclipse GSX. So all you need for this install really is a 12 mil and then a pair of pliers to take out the bushing. So yeah, all you're going to be taking off is the bolts, and then to get to this bolt you just need to take off the, I forgot what this is called, but it holds the shifter linkage in place, and then we should be able to get the bushings on. And also, I'm assuming you guys already have the center console out. If you haven't, go watch how I installed the carbon fiber one in my previous video. So we'll get straight to it. So to get to this corner one, I'm just gonna be taking off this cotter pin. Alright, so I got the cotter pin out. This should just pop right off, and now you have access to that back bolt. Just move it over a little bit and you should be able to take it off. So there is these metal bushings that go inside, but you're no longer going to be using them with the full metal bushings. Like, let's say if you were going to replace them with the polyurethane ones, you would reuse the metal bushing. I'll show you how I take it out. Just grab a pair of pliers, and it literally just slides out like that. So we're going to do that for all corners. There's that one, and the one back here. Let's see. Bam, just like that. All right, I already got this this one in. I was just seeing if it would actually fit, and it does. So gonna take out the rest of the rubber bushings, and then I'll show you guys how I put on the other ones. So I got all of them out except for this corner one. Very difficult to get out with this thing in the way, so I got some long pliers and I'm gonna see if it can come out. Got it out. So these metal bushings have like a groove. You want the flat side on the bottom and the groove like pointing up, and then the same thing for the top. It'll be the opposite, flat side on top, and then you just put it in like that. All right, so all 4 bushings are in. Before, the shifter base would move a little bit, but now it's super solid. Doesn't move when you shift gears. These were the old bushings. They're like super squishy and old. So honestly, if you have the time, I recommend to switch them out. I already upgraded the end links on the other side of the transmission with metal solid ones by Torque Solution, and it honestly makes like a huge difference. It feels more like solid. So yeah, if you have time, I recommend getting the solid ones. Alright guys, I hope you can see. I just mounted the GoPro. So yeah, it's like the next night I should say, from when I installed the solid shifter base bushings. Honestly, the shifting in the car feels like more responsive. Like the gears are like more crisp. So yeah, this is me just cruising. Gonna go through a tunnel right now. It's gonna be pretty cool. Let you guys hear how it sounds.